Welcome back to the Happy Eating Challenge. It's day 9. We have learned the basic structure of Japanese meals, how to cook soup, how to decide how much you can eat, and how to season your food in a very basic way so far. Now let's see the other popular ratios. I'm going to show you the basic ratio for each traditional dish like teriyaki flavor or rice bowl or vegetable dishes. So the main dish should contain 1% of salt content and minus 0.2% will make the soup, and plus 0.2% or more will be the sauce or something over rice and eat with it. The very basic flavor is 1-2-1-2-1. And you put some sugar in it and it will make a teriyaki flavor. It's totally up to you how much sugar you are adding. If you like it sweet, go ahead and add a little bit more sugar. The amount of sugar varies from region to region or in each household. So the ratio is going to be like this. If you want to make a teriyaki chicken with a boneless chicken thigh that weighs about 300 grams, you will need 15 grams of soy sauce, and if you want extra sauce, add some more seasonings. You are going to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mirin or more, and sake, and a little bit of sugar. But you don't have to add sake for chicken, but I definitely add sake to eliminate the fishy smell for fish. That's my teriyaki chicken. Salmon or yellowtail makes a good teriyaki fish. And for the MENTSUYU, for the noodles, the tsukemen, the style that dips your noodles in the soup and then slurp, the ratio is 1-1-4. And for the MENTSUYU, for the noodle soup, you will need 1-1-12 ratios. It should be a bit saltier than the miso soup. We will not drink up all the soup, so don't worry too much about the salt intake. When we eat with the noodles, we should season the noodles, so it's a bit saltier than the miso soup. And when you cook the vegetables, use this ratio, 1-1-8. If you like them sweeter, add a little bit of sugar. The ratio is for the side dish eaten with rice. When you eat rice, it goes well together. I decide how much sugar to add depends on the ingredients. I add a little bit of sugar to the pumpkin. Here I have 400 grams of pumpkin, and I will add 1.5 tablespoons of mirin and soy sauce and 3/4 cup of dashi and half a teaspoon of sugar. The pumpkin is easy to fall off, so I want to cook it quickly but season well. Cooking time is about 7 to 8 minutes. You can cook other vegetables with this ratio without adding sugar, like sweet potatoes and chicken. I add a little bit of sugar to nikujaga, the Japanese style stewed beef and potatoes. Cabbage and aburage, the deep fried tofu, is my favorite. Find your favorite combination. If you want to make a lightly seasoned vegetables, use 1-1-10 ratio. This is the same ratio for oden, the Japanese winter hot pot dish. You can enjoy the flavor of ingredients with this ratio. Use good dashi for the dish to make a difference. Last but not least, simmered fish and meat. When you cook fish, there is always a chance to leave a fishy smell, so add a lot of sake to remove the fishy smell and add a good amount of ginger. And you can cook the meat with the same ratio. But for the meat, you don't have to add a lot of sake, but this ratio makes soft and delicious simmered meat. Alright, that's it for the basic ratio for the popular dishes. I hope you enjoy it, and I made a list for this ratio, so please find it in the description box below. I'm going to show you how to make homemade seasonings to make it even more durable. Click like and subscribe and don't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching.